Hi, my name is Jessica Tapana. I'm a group practice owner and the owner of Simplified SEO Consulting. Today, we are going to talk about how to know if you're getting a good return on investment for your search engine optimization efforts. Whether you are optimizing your website yourself or outsourcing to someone else, you want to know that your SEO work or money is actually paying off and is actually making a difference for your business. It does you no good to just pour all of your effort in if something's not working. So how do you know if it is? Let's talk about 4 different things that you can keep an eye on. The first thing that I keep an eye on when I'm working on optimizing a website is, are you improving in your search engine rankings for the keywords that you're targeting? So hopefully you have a list of words that you think your ideal clients are searching for. And as you're optimizing your website, you're trying to rank better for those keywords. So before you'll even get more calls or more clicks, the first thing you'll notice is that you'll start to move up. Maybe at first that looks like you're moving up from page 10 to now you're ranking on page 6. Still not very many people are finding you on page 6, but at least that's the first indicator that your search engine optimization efforts are paying off. Ultimately, of course, we want to see as many as possible on pages 1 and 2, and so keep an eye and make sure that your rankings are improving. The second metric that I want you to keep an eye on is how many clicks are you getting on your website. For most of us, the search engine that we're most interested in is Google, and Google makes it pretty easy to track this. They have something called Google Search Console, so go look at Google Search Console, or depending on your platform, you may even be able to look at this on the back end of your website, regardless of where you're looking. You want to see that as your website is ranking better on Google and other search engines, that you're actually getting more visitors to your site, that people are actually clicking once they find you in the search engine results. And so within a couple of months of working on your search engine, you should be seeing an increase in the clicks on your website. The third thing that I want you to keep an eye on is, are you actually getting more new client inquiries? If you're an e-commerce site, of course, you want to see more products being sold. But if you're a service-based business like I am, you want to see more either people reaching out via email or people calling your business and asking about your services. The fourth metric, and this is really important. When I said more calls, you probably were like, okay, that's good. That's the ultimate goal. But the truth is that we have even one more metric. The next question is, are they turning into more of your ideal clients? Because if you're getting a bunch of calls and they're not the right calls, that doesn't do you much good. I have a private pay psychotherapy practice. If everybody calling wants to use their insurance, then I still haven't accomplished the goal. And so ultimately, you want to make sure that the right clients are calling. If you're getting a bunch of calls and it's not converting to your ideal clients, it's time to go back to the drawing board and either look at your website design or go back to keyword research and figure out that maybe the keywords you were targeting aren't the ones that your ideal clients are looking for. But ultimately, you want to see all 4 of those things, that you're ranking higher in search engine results, having a lot more keywords on the first and second pages, that you're getting more clicks, that people, when they see your listing on search engine results, are actually clicking on it and coming to your website, that more people are calling, and that those people that are calling are the right people turning into actual paying clients. If you want to continue getting more tips on how to optimize your own website, or you're ready to outsource and want to be an informed consumer that keeps an eye on these things as somebody else works on your search engine optimization, head on over to our website, simplifiedseoconsulting.com/POP for Practice of the Practice. Again, that's simplifiedseoconsulting.com/POP. Regardless, I look forward to seeing you for the next set of tips that I will be bringing in the next episode.